In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford EcoSport fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Engine compartment, fuse box. The 2019 Ford EcoSport engine compartment fuse box safeguards key engine and power systems, including ignition and cooling. Located in the engine bay, it offers accessible protection for essential under-hood electrical components. Battery fuse box. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2019 Ford EcoSport passenger compartment fuse box protects in-cabin electronics like lighting, power windows, and climate control. Located under the glove box, it offers convenient access for managing interior electrical systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2019 Ford EcoSport fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.